Hi sir, good evening. I'm Jerome Sanchez, BSB MM3. Question is, what is a novel mainly about? So mainly about sir, about the Filipino colonial the Spanish. So the why? Because the Spanish is very colonial to the Filipino. So for example, the abuse the Filipino to all Filipino abused by Spanish. So for example, the Filipino is abused. So parang nano tayo inabuso tayo ng mga Spanish. So bakit? Because the power is nasa kanila na, nasa mga Spanish na. So every so by so ang Spanish din is ultimately the mga ano sila, mga nandun sila sa mga corruption sila. So nandun sila kanila. So ang second sir, so problems during result time. During result time is the abuse power by Spanish and abuses by power Spanish and corruption sir. So namely about sa number 2, give me to them. So our sir, social justice sir. Unfair sa mga Pilipino by yung Spanish. For example, pinapabura nila yung mga Spanish lang. Yung mas pinapabura nila yung mas may power. And pangalawa sir, the two terms na abuse of power by government. So parang sir, for example, I have the power, so I abuse the people because I'm a powerful man. Yes sir, thank you. So and letter D sir, mention the one character what I did present. For me, Ibarra sir. So Ibarra na kasi sir is from the Noli to El Pili. So Noli Pitangeri, isa siyang bida dun sa the main character. And Ibarra and El Pili is so Ibarra is he become a Simon, and he is the nagtanggap siya bilang Simon, isa parang siya mamimili ng alahas. Yes sir. So and number the LP is answer 1 minute.